Indicates of the Lifechanyuan Era will be the following. Religions, political persuasions, and national borders will die out. Wars, diseases, famines, and crime will disappear. Familial relationships will dissolve. Spiritual and soulful cultivation will replace material enjoyment. National disasters will lessen. We will be led by saints and managed by sages. No one will pocket anything found on the ground, and doors will not be bought at night. Life will include prosperity, peace, and tranquility. The talented will be put to their best use. The world will be as a single family. The Lifechanyuan Era will last for millennium. People will enjoy lifespans of half that, and the ideal paradise that mankind has always dreamed of will become established.